I have a simple question from you all. You are like interested in Angular or React, or you have working on in Angular and React? Because I think you have learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So anyone have interest in Angular or React?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I just simply ask. That's the purpose of asking is like if you learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, so it's very important to you have moved some frameworks like Angular or React. If you okay, so uh, anyone interested in front end development? I mean, just go in the front end development field. Anyone interested? Uh,
Yes, ma'am. I'm interested.
okay. Others?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So, if you're interested in a front-end development, so it is very important to learn any framework. Like if you learn React or Angular, that is your choice. But it's very important to learn any framework. So it's just I explain you that what is why it's important, because in like a today's market like HTML CSS is not enough. It's very important to learn some frameworks like React or Angular. So if your internship is finished, then I am request to you all that you have, if you are interested, so you have learned like React or Angular, because it's very important if you need, if you go to in front end development field. So that's it. So anyone, any question like for this? Anyone have any question? Hello, hello.
No, ma'am, no questions.
Others?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So my screen are visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in today's session, we discuss about navigation bar, Bootstrap Flex, scroll speed, and model, Bootstrap model. So first we discuss about navigation bar. So have you any idea about navigation bar? Because we discussed this in CSS series. So anyone have any idea? Okay. So basically, the navigation bar is same as a Bootstrap, but it is a responsive and is a different type of navigation bar available in like Bootstrap. So basic, first one is basic, second one is vertical, and third one is center. So I explain you one by one. First is basic navigation bar. So I explain you with example. So it's create like basic navigation bar like link 1, link 2 and link 3. Like in this code, first we add the CDN link of Bootstrap, then we start body tag, then write nav, which is navigation bar for. So that's why we write nav class is equals to nav bar expand is SN, which means small, because we need a small. So that's why we write a small, and then BG is light because background color is like light. So then we create UL, which is unordered list, and class is equals to nav bar nav. Then because nav because nav is a class, so that's why we write UL class is equals to nav bar nav. Then li class is equals to nav item, which is navigation item. Then we write anchor class is equals to navigation link because we are create the hyperlinks. So that's why we write a class is equals to nav hyphen link. Then reference is hash, then link one, then similar like li class is equals to nav item, anchor class is equals to nav link, and hyperlink uh, hyper reference, then link to, then we are close the li, then close ul, and this is nav, so then we close nav. Then we write br tag and write div class is equals to container fruit. So anyone have any idea what is container fruit? Because we are discussing our previous class, like first class of Bootstrap.
It gives a space in a web page from left to right.
Yeah, very nice. Others? Okay. Then we write this is an example, then close div, body and HTML. So this is basic navigation bar in Bootstrap. So anyone have any doubt? Any doubt? So yeah. um, Okay, so it's totally responsive when I inspect the screen. So the link one, link two is like in in vertical form. So it is responsiveness. That's why it's like link one and link two, and link three in vertical form. Anyone have any doubt in basic navigation bar?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Others? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So next is vertical navigation bar. So I explained you the example. So this is basically a vertical navigation bar. Uh, so basically this is same as the previous code, like only difference like we add the navigation class is equals to navbar, and then we write pg light because background color is light. Then we are write ul class is equals to navbar nav, then li class is equals to nav item, then anchor class is equals to nav hyphen link, then reference, and then link 1, link 2, and link 3, and then close the li ul and nav, and start the PR tag, and then write div class is equals to container food, and then the example of vertical navigation bar, and close the div body and HTML. So anyone have any doubt like the previous one and this one? Any doubt? Hello, I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible. No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. Others?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So if you inspect this, so basically the main purpose when we add this links, so it's give the responsiveness to our code. So if you're working on any bootstrap or any project, or if you're using bootstrap, so its link is very important. Otherwise if you not add these links, so your file your uh, project is not responsive, because these links are very important. Uh, so uh, so next is a center navigation bar. So I explain you with example. So it's a center. Sorry. This is the center navigation bar. So this is link are in center. So basically in this code, first we add the cdn link, then we write nav class is equals to nav bar expand small bg light justify content center, because we need like navigation bar in center, so that's why we write justify content center. So the navigation bar in center, and then we write ul class is equals to nav bar nav, then li class is equals to the nav item, then anchor class is equals to nav link and reference, and then link 1 link 2 and link 3, and then close the ul nav and start the br, and write div class is equals to container fruit, and then write this is the example of a center navigation bar, and then we close the div body in HTML. So when we write justify content center, so the hyperlink, oh sorry, navigation bar in comes in center. So if you write justify content right, so the navigation bar comes in right side, and if you write left, so navigation bar comes in left side. So have you any doubt in center navigation bar? Hello, any doubt, anyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next is Bootstrap Flexbox. We are discuss in our CSS series what is Flexbox. So, have you any idea? Any idea, anyone? Okay. So, basically, the Flexbox is its type of module. So you can decide the structure of your page, or you can say your layout of your page, and you can position your flex box like right, left, or according to your choice. So I explain you with example. So basically, it's just so it's create like this is the Flexbox 1, this is 2, and this is 3. And I inspect this. So the it define the like size defined because we are using a container medium 3. So anyone have any idea what is empty hyphen 3? Anyone have any idea about this?
It is a pixel, 16 pixel it shows.
No. Okay. So basically, when we write div class is equals to container, and specifically we write this, so which means how the this item will show what type of screen. Like you have seen this item in you can say laptop, tablet, or in your mobile phone. So the MT minus 3 is its the size of for the mobile for the desktop view. And then we write deflex. So when we using flexbox, so it is very important to write add this class deflex. And then we write p2, which means pixel 2. And then we write bg info, so it set the background color of that particular item. And then we write deflex p hyphen 2 pg warning, so it's set the color of this background as a yellow. And then we write d hyphen flex p minus p2, because if we write the mt3, so we can take the p as a minus 1, like if 3 minus 1 is 2, so that's why we write p hyphen 2. And then we write div class is equals to d flex, d hyphen flex p hyphen 2, then bg primary and flex item 3. So this is basically a pixel. Anyone have any doubt in like Flexbox? Any doubt? Anyone? Hello. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Others? Any doubt? Hello. Any doubt? Okay. So next is scroll speed. Anyone have any idea what is scroll speed? Okay. So basically, it's create a type of scroll bar. So it's automatically update the links. I explain you with example. This is basically like scroll space. Uh, this is the scroll bar, uh, basically. Like in this code, first we add the CDN link, then we style body position relative, and then we close the style, and then we write body data space because we need a scroll bar. So that's why we write scroll, and data target is nav bar. So because we are create navigation bar, so that's why we write our target is navigation bar, and data offset is 15. Then we create the navigation bar, which we discussed in our previous navigation bar topic. So this is same like nav bar expand and small, PG dark, navigation bar dark, and fixed top. Then we write li class is equals to nav item and nav link. So this is the same. Then we create the drop down like li class is equals to nav item drop down. Then we write anchor class is equals to nav link drop down toggle, and reference hash, and id is the nav bar drop down, and toggle is drop down. Then we write like section 1, section 2, section 3. This is section 4. Then we create a drop down list. So div class is equals to drop down menu. So menu is basically in menu present in items like item 1 and item 2, and the section is 4 and 1, 4 and 2. So basically it adds like section 4 is combination of section 1 and 4, and this section 4 2 means this is combination of section 4 and 2. So that's why we write the section 4 and 2. Then we are close the div LIUN and nav. Then we create div ID because we are create section 1. So we write ID is equals to section 1. Class is equals to container, fruit, and BG success. Style is padding top to 70 pixel and bottom to 7. Basically, it's a styling. Then we write this is the section 1. Then the dummy text in paragraph. Then we close the div. Then we section 2, section 3, section 4, because the section 4 is combination of section 1. So that's why we write 4 1, which is section 4 1. This is, and then we write section 4 2. So then we same like class container fruit, BG success, style padding top to 70 pixel and bottom to 70, and then add the dummy text and close the div body and HTML. So anyone have any doubt in like in this code or something, any doubt? So please ask me any doubt. Hello.
No,
Hello.
ma'am.
Okay, others. Hello. Any doubt, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so that's it for today's class. Shruti ma'am, you can take the attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.